At today's global press event, Acer dropped two new Chromebooks, the Chromebook 714 and 715, 14 and 15-inch devices respectively, built all of aluminum with full HD screens and some nice little extra perks aimed directly at enterprise customers. So we want to take just a few minutes and go hands-on with these and look at some of the finer details. This video is brought to you by NordVPN. They are the VPN of choice for millions of users, Chromebook users, iOS users, Android users, doesn't matter. They will secure your browsing history and they do it better than anybody else. If you'd like to learn more, go to chromeunboxed.com/NordVPN to get started today. So as we talked about, we've got a 14 and a 15-inch device here, and they share a ton in common with one another. The aluminum they're made of, for instance, feels the same. The hinges look the same, all that kind of stuff. So aesthetically, there's a lot of similarities here, but there are a few differences, and we want to talk briefly about those. So with the 14-inch version, you're still getting a full HD screen, 14 inches here, 15.6 on the larger one, but you don't get the numeric keypad, and we'll talk about that here in just a second with the 15-inch model. And here on the 14-inch one, this feels like a pretty standard Acer keyboard, which is to say it feels okay. It's backlit and feels kind of what you would get on any other Acer device. You get this nice Gorilla Glass trackpad, and if a lot of this seems familiar, well, the Acer Chromebook 514 shares a lot of these same things, but the aluminum used here is a little darker. It just feels more substantial and a little higher quality. You've got touchscreen as an option here as well, but then you also get a fingerprint scanner right on the deck. So once you go through the out-of-box experience and set it up, you can just open the lid up, touch that, and be logged in, which is a really, really nice addition. So let's move on to the 15.6-inch version, which is the one I'm a little more interested in, honestly. Again, full HD screen, not the brightest thing in the world, but it is anti-glare, so it does knock down light. If it looks a little dark in the video, we're under a lot of sunlight right now, so this is a very, very bright environment. We put it up next to a couple different Chromebooks, and it looks like it kind of stands toe-to-toe with stuff like the HP Chromebook 14 or the new Asus Chromebooks, and so it's not crazy dim, it's not crazy bright, it kind of sits right there in the middle. But we get the same Gorilla Glass trackpad here, and then you get the addition of the numeric keypad over here, which is going to be really nice for enterprise, for people that are going to have to do a lot of data entry. And so if you're used to having that keypad over here and you are quick with these things, it's nice to have that addition over here just for productivity. And then again, you've got the fingerprint scanner down here. But one thing I want to mention here on this backlit keyboard is this one feels like a slight upgrade from what we normally get with Acer Chromebooks. And in general, there's a click mechanism in here that just feels better than most Acer Chromebooks. And I kept returning to this on the showroom floor just because I wanted to keep typing and typing on it. There's just a nice click that goes along with this keyboard. Great travel. I think this is going to be a much nicer typing experience than what you get on most Acer devices. Both of these are going to start at $499, and that's going to be with a Pentium. It's the newest Pentium processor that's available. Then there's going to be the Celeron, Core i3 and Core i5 versions, all the way up to 16 gigs of RAM. So we're not sure what those prices are going to be as you keep getting more and more features built into here, but we do know that they're going to start at $499. Supposedly available around July timeframe, so look kind of midsummer. We should be seeing these start to show up. But overall, I think Acer has put together a pretty compelling package here with the all aluminum design. It's just kind of minimalistic. It's here, it gets the job done, it feels good, it looks good in the hand, it's going to look good on a desk. And again, with this one, you get an enhanced typing experience, I think, that's better than most things that Acer offers in the Chromebook space. But guys, that's it for this one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and until next time, we'll see you.